Hi guys, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I'm Soumya. Today's recipe is all about an amazing party appetizer idea. So keep watching the video till the end, and if you like it, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's jump on to the recipe.
For this recipe, I have taken 24 ounce or around 680 grams of baby bella mushrooms or button mushrooms. These are few of them. I have nicely washed them under running water and then wiped off with a clean dry cloth. Now, we need to take out the stems of all the mushrooms. So, see, this is a very easy process. You just need to flip the stem to one side and then to other side and it will pop out very easily. Make sure not to discard the stems as we are going to use it later in the stuffing. Now heat up some oil in a pan and cook 4-5 cloves of garlic in it. Then add 1 finely chopped onion and saute it until it changes the color. Now add 1 large sized tomato here. Now here I have finely chopped all the mushroom stems and I'm gonna add into it, followed by 2 cups of spinach. Mix everything together and cook for a couple of minutes. Now time to add in few spices. So add a teaspoon of smoked paprika and cumin powder each, and of course salt. So guys, if in case you want to add more spices to it, that's absolutely your choice. Alright, so the mixture is perfect now. So take it out in a large bowl. There we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna add 16 ounce or around 450 grams of cream cheese to this. Now mix everything for a couple of minutes. A good blending is required here. There we go. Alright, so our mushrooms are also ready here. Now let's start stuffing these mushroom cavities with the mixture we prepared. Fill in a generous amount of mixture into these cavities. I'm using 2 teaspoons of mixture to stuff each mushroom. See, like this. Similarly, I'm gonna stuff all my mushrooms here. Like so. Now top it up with some shredded mozzarella cheese. There we go. Now here I have some cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna cut them into halves and place it over each mushroom. Now take a baking dish and grease it properly with some oil. Now carefully place all the mushrooms into it. I've already preheated my oven at 375 degrees and now I'm gonna pop my mushrooms into the oven for around 20 to 25 minutes. And here comes our utterly gorgeous and delicious stuffed cheesy mushrooms. So guys, give this lip smacking recipe a try at your home. I'll be back soon. Take care and bye bye.